This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Kathy Stenson. Fabulous opportunity to own this versatile 1.1570-acre lot in Old Towne Katy, just off of Katy Land Road and 5th Street. Enter this property from either 3rd Street or 5th Street. Perfect for an auto repair business, landscaping business, multifamily, storage units, commercial or warehouse space. The owners are willing to look at possibly dividing the property in half if there is a demand for it. The existing home has no value associated with it, being sold as lot value only. The home is livable but needs lots of work, could be a great office with some renovations. Nice large carport on the property as well. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Stenson.